A leading CPAP retailer needed to drive significant organic revenue growth within a 6-month period. Our goal was clear: increase organic revenue by 50%, grow organic traffic by 20%, boost conversions by 50%. And we had to do it without external link building, relying solely on on-site optimization and content enhancements. A successful SEO strategy isn't just about rankings, it's about capturing high-intent traffic and driving real business impact. We focused on 3 key areas: optimizing high-intent keywords by prioritizing bottom-of-funnel search terms to capture ready-to-buy users. We also identified and optimized low-hanging fruit pages for quick performance wins. Our next step was to elevate content for conversions. To do this, we expanded product descriptions with in-depth FAQs, customer reviews, and usage guides. We implemented schema markup to enhance visibility in search results, and we created a one-stop shop experience for CPAP shoppers by aggregating detailed product insights. Finally, to achieve our clients' goals, we decided to leverage AI for a competitive advantage. This meant using tools like Browse AI and Google Sheets automation to scrape and organize competitor and market data 5 times faster, and applying insights from social listening tools to refine messaging and match real customer needs. One challenge we faced is that the CPAP industry is highly regulated, making content accuracy and compliance critical. Every piece of content was reviewed by medical experts to maintain EEAT standards, boosting credibility and trust. Another challenge: Google algorithm updates. While many brands reacted quickly, we took a measured approach, letting the data settle before making adjustments. The result: record-breaking revenue months post-update. These strategic optimizations exceeded both our expectations and those of the client. Revenue skyrocketed by 70% within 6 months. Organic traffic grew by 25%, adding over 23,000 new visitors. Conversions surged by 70%, hitting 6,675 purchases. And conversion rates climbed from 4.49% to 5.86%, which is a 36% uplift. This campaign proves that SEO success isn't just about rankings, it's about revenue. By blending technical SEO, content excellence, and AI-driven insights, we transformed this CPAP client's organic channel into a revenue engine. That's the power of strategic, data-driven SEO.